Welcome to Masterclass in Consumer Electronics Repair, from basics to advanced. Today, discuss about essential tools and workspace setup. To repair electronics properly, you need the right tools. Here's a checklist of must-have tools and equipment for your repair bench. Basic tools. Digital multimeter. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most popular digital multimeters for electronics technicians, the UNI TUT61E+. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this meter is packed with features you'll love. Let's check it out. It comes with test leads, a thermocouple probe, a USB cable, and a user manual. Let's power it on and go through each function. Here's the control layout. The rotary switch selects the measurement mode. The range button lets you switch between auto and manual range. REL stores a reference value for relative measurement. Hold BL freezes the display and activates the backlight. Select toggles secondary functions like diode, continuity, and capacitance. To measure DC voltage, turn the dial to V-. Connect the black lead to COM, red to V ohm. Touch the probes to the positive and negative of your battery or circuit. The display shows the voltage with millivolt precision. For AC voltage, select V tilde. This is true RMS, so you get accurate readings even for non-sinusoidal waveforms. Always be careful when measuring live AC. Use one hand and insulated probes. Switch to omega for resistance. Connect across the resistor or component. Use the REL function to subtract lead resistance if needed. You can measure up to 60 megohms accurately. Press select in resistance mode to activate continuity test. A beep sounds if resistance is below approximately 50 ohms, useful for checking wires or fuses. Press select again for diode test. It shows voltage drop across the diode. To measure current, break the circuit and insert the meter in series. For small currents, use the microampere or milliampere ranges. For larger currents, up to 10 amps, plug the red lead into the 10 amp socket and select the A range. Always start with the highest range to avoid damaging the meter. Switch to the H% symbol. This lets you measure signal frequency and duty cycle. Perfect for PWM circuits, switching supplies, or audio signals. Plug in the K-type thermocouple, then switch to temperature mode, degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Great for checking heat sinks, components, or ambient temperature. The UT61E+ includes a USB interface. Connect it to your PC, install the software, and log measurements in real time. Ideal for lab analysis and reports.